Hello viewers and welcome to the channel. Today we are conducting a technical deep dive into Windows 11 Insider Preview build 10.0.26.120.3576 released under KB5053650 on March 17, 2025. This build targets both the dev and beta channels as part of the Windows 11 version 24H2 development cycle. We will explore the key improvements, resolve bugs, and persistent issues, providing a comprehensive overview of IT professionals and enthusiasts tracking Microsoft Insider's program. So let's begin. Starting with the enhancements. The standout feature in build 26120.3576 is a significant upgrade to the voice access subsystem. Previously, voice access required strict command syntax, for example, open Edge, limiting its flexibility. This build introduces natural language processing capabilities, enabling the system to interpret varied phrasing such as "Can you open the Edge application?" or "Switch to Microsoft Edge," or "Please launch the Edge browser." This leverages intent recognition, reducing the cognitive load on users and aligning with modern accessibility standards. Additionally, the system now provides real-time command suggestions when a phrase isn't recognized, enhancing usability for both no-voice and advanced users. This is a clear step toward integrating AI-driven interaction models into Windows 11's core experience. Beyond voice access, Microsoft changelog for this build is concise, suggesting a focus on incremental stability and performance optimization within the 24H2 framework. Given the context of prior builds, we are likely seeing continued refinement of features like cloud, integrated Windows search, and Copilot Plus capabilities. Though specifics remain undisclosed here, the devs channel use of control feature rollout technology persists, meaning new features may be staged to subsets of users. Administrator can enable the get the latest updates as soon as they are available option under settings. Windows update to expedite access, reflecting Microsoft phased deployment strategies. Now moving to the resolved issues, build 26120.3576 addresses several bugs reported in earlier flights. For enterprise users on managed PCs with Microsoft Intra ID, a critical fix resolved recall snapshot deletion post-installation of build 26120.3380, and after reboots, a significant relief for IT teams leveraging this feature. The settings application also sees a UI correction, eliminating excessive padding at the top of pages like system under sound, restoring a polished interface. Another resolved issue involves erroneous notification about a malfunctioning sent to OneNote print driver, now silenced. Finally, non-administrative users regain the ability to uninstall self-added printers, correcting a permission oversight from prior builds. However, this build introduces and retains notable issues, some of which may impact production testing. Most critically, recall on Copilot Plus PCs has encountered a regression. It can no longer save new snapshots or allow settings modifications. This follows existing reports of automatic snapshot failures, both of which Microsoft is actively investigating for resolution in a future update. Installation quirks also persist. New dev or beta channel enrollees must first install build 26120.3360 before updating to 3576, a temporary two-step process. Post-reset scenarios may misreport the build as 26100 rather than 26120.3576. Though this is a cosmetic, doesn't impede updates. Additionally, the get the latest toggle in Windows Update suffers a rendering glitch and auto-disables, a minor UI issue slated for correction. From a technical perspective, this build underscores Microsoft's iterative approach to Windows 11 evolution. The voice access enhancement signals deeper integration of natural language processing, potentially laying groundwork for broader AI feature sets. However, the recall setbacks highlight ongoing challenges in stabilizing Copilot Plus functionality, a flagship component of 24H2, suggesting resource allocation or architectural hurdles. The alignment of dev and beta channel on identical 24H2 builds offer flexibility for insiders to shift to the more stable beta track, a window that will close as beta updates become recommended later in 2025. IT administrators should note that recall binaries remain cached via optional features, though Microsoft plans their removal in a future flight, indicating a possible reevaluation of deployment strategy. In conclusion, Windows 11 Insider Preview build 26120.3576 delivers a compelling accessibility upgrade and key fixes, tempered by significant recall regressions and minor deployment anomalies. For organizations and developers in the Insider program, this build offers valuable insight into 24H2's trajectory, though caution is advised for recall-dependent workflows until stability improves. As always, Microsoft encourages detailed feedback through Feedback Hub, accessible via that command called window and F button to refine this update. That wraps up our analysis. If you found this breakdown valuable, please subscribe, like, and share your technical observations in the comment. Until next time, stay informed and keep testing. Have a great day ahead. Take care and bye bye.